In this video, I am going to introduce you to this new generative AI tool called as Videofy. Videofy is probably one of the easiest way to convert your text content into videos fairly quickly. Let me show you how you can play around with it. Go to videofy.ai, sign up with your email for a free account, and then either click on try now or sign in with your email address. Once you sign in, you will be presented with screen like this. I already have a couple of videos here, but I'm not going to play them. Click on create new video, and then there are four ways you can create video from your content. First, either just give it a topic and it will create the video, or you can give it the link to your blog post, then it will create a video. If you're like me and have hundreds or thousands of blog posts here and there over the last few years, and you want to infuse new life into your content, you can simply go and give the link to your blog post and it will create a video around it. Or you can simply provide it a text prompt and it will create a video out of it. Or if you have any code on GitHub or Stack Overflow, you can give that to this and it will create a video out of it. Let me show you a demo. So I have this blog post from 2019, which is around DevOps for Oracle DBA. Let me grab the link of it, go back to this video file, click on article to video, and then simply paste the link of your blog post here. Click on validate. It will first verify, okay, the article is valid, that is all good. Select the media if you want to, and you can even select your own images by providing the link here, which is quite cool. More, you can also select the mode here. If you want to change it, you can even do it from here, but I'm just going to keep it default. Click on next, and then in the output, I'm just going to say none, that I don't want any voiceover, I don't want any avatar or stuff like that. And then here you can go with number of scenes, how many scenes you want, include intro scene or not, and outro the last one. And then also you can have your auto suggestion media sources. If I drop it down, you can see that it goes to stock libraries and it is going to pick up images and other stuff from here. Now after this, click on next again, and then you can select any template from here. So for instance, you can select this um, Y2K, or you could go with anyone. So let me maybe go with this uh, bold one maybe, and then you can click on create video, and then you can go to my videos or you can create more. So let's go to my video. These are few of the videos which I earlier created, and my this one is in progress here. These are the two videos which I created here. This middle one works, but this one was not working, the last one. Let me try to play it again to see if it works or not. You see that it says error rendering video. So I think it's still work in progress maybe, or there's too much load. But if I click on this one works. So you can see this one is working, which is quite cool. But one thing I found out is that it uses a Jingle Bell song, which is copyrighted. So I'm not going to play it. Because I'm going to, of course, you're watching it on YouTube channel, so YouTube strikes the copyright. So that is why I'm not going to play it. I believe that yes, for images they might be checking some of the free resources, but for videos, for background music, they should also have either free videos or generate their own, or maybe give us an option here where we could disable the audio or the background music, because when I'm generating the videos here, I don't see any option like that. While we were talking, you can see that it is ready. Let's click on edit first, just to show you what is happening here. So it shows background music here. Let me try to see if I could delete it. So as you can see that this is our video, you can slide one, and then it is just goes into that how many images it is using, and you can even go to the granular level and go from there. Let me click on background music, and you see that it says change audio. I'm going to click on delete and click on yes, because I don't want any background music. Now when I click on delete, this happened previously too, It doesn't do anything. So I'm not sure if you can able to see it. Yeah, so it doesn't do anything, which is pretty surprising. Now, if I click on no, it does something. So this is crazy. I think they need to really fix this thing. Anyway, it is not letting me delete that audio. So I'll go back, and then you can either download it or you can simply duplicate it. You can create more info from here. So if I click on more info on the right hand side, it is giving me a lot of other information, that this is the content, this is the language, media sources, and then what it used or not, and then this is the template it has used. So and how long did it take. So I'm not going to play this video because of the copyright of background music, otherwise I won't be able to post it on YouTube, so my apologies. But I will drop the link to this video file in video's description. You can create your own by pointing it to your content, either through text prompt or your link to your blog post. Pretty cool, but a long way to go, I believe. If you are already using it, please share your experience. And if you're stuck, let me know and I'll be happy to help out. And of course, if you like the content, please consider subscribing to the channel. Thank you very much.